Welcome to our whiteboard animation on the concept of the mole. In chemistry, the mole is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the quantities of substances in chemical reactions. So, what exactly is a mole? Hi there, I'm the mole, your chemical friend. Think of me as a counting unit for particles. Imagine you have a pile of atoms. Counting them individually would be time-consuming and impractical. That's where the mole comes in. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a lot. But instead of counting them all, we can use the mole to represent this enormous number of particles. The mole allows us to express this huge number, known as Avogadro's number, which is approximately 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 particles in 1 mole. So, 1 mole is like a box that contains 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 particles of any substance, whether they are atoms, molecules, or ions. We can use the mole to count not only individual atoms but also molecules and ions. By knowing the number of moles of different substances, we can compare their amounts in a chemical reaction. By understanding the mole, we can measure and predict the amounts of substances in chemical reactions, making it an essential tool for chemists. To summarize, the mole is a counting unit that represents a specific number of particles, approximately 6.022 times 10 to the power of 2 cubed. It allows us to compare and calculate the amounts of substances in chemical reactions, helping us understand and predict the outcomes. Remember, the mole is your trusted friend in chemistry. Subscribe our channel and press notification bell to get latest updates.